Hey everybody, PE School here with a Halloween game. So I've seen a lot of versions of this type of game from other teachers and other accounts, but this is our version of a rolling game called Ghostbusters Bowling. So you can have as many teams as you want. So we have 3 on this side and 3 on the opposite side with some bowling pins and hula hoops in the middle as the students' targets. So first we practice our rolling technique, so making sure that the students are stepping with their opposite foot, swinging their arms straight back, and bending their knees down low to get the ball rolling smoothly. So when the game starts, one person on each team gets to roll their ball towards the targets. If they knock over a ghost, they collect a piece of candy from the buckets. There's 2 on either side full of bean bags, so we're going to use those as the candy pieces. So if the student knocks down a ghost bowling pin, they first have to put the ghost back on the little dot that we have underneath it. Then they grab a piece of candy and they take it back to their team, where they take turns with their next teammate. Now, we also have some hula hoops in the middle of the gym. If the student's ball lands inside one of the hula hoops, it has to stay inside one of the hula hoops. Then they get 3 pieces of candy. So a lot of things can happen during this game. Sometimes the ball knocks over a ghost and then lands in the hula hoops, so the students can add up the points. Sometimes 2 ghosts knock down, so they would get 2 pieces of candy. So lots of crazy stuff can happen, but this is a fun little Halloween activity that we like to play. We like to turn most of the lights off to make it a little bit more spooky in here, and of course we have the Ghostbusters music going on. So Ghostbusters Bowling, pretty fun Halloween game. I'll have a little demonstration of a small group demonstrating it. Be sure to subscribe here on PE School for more videos and activities, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks again.